Have you got an hangover?
Do you not do?
Hello, it's me again. Welcome to my channel. Today we're making a variation of my shower steamer recipe. This is the same formula as in my original shower steamer video. If you want that formula in full, there'll be a card on screen at some point as I'm mixing up these dry ingredients, which is what I'm doing now. I'm just making half the recipe for this batch. We'll leave adding the citric acid until the last moment. So what are we doing different today? Well, the shower steamers we're making here are going to be for hangover relief. Okay, so what are we going to be putting in that helps hangovers? Well, first of all, in my opinion, shower steamers in general should always include a generous helping of menthol. The point of the menthol is to help open up your airways and sinuses so you can actually breathe in the vapour from the essential oils and get the therapeutic benefits. Peppermint is excellent for headaches and hangovers. We don't really need to put that in because menthol crystals are actually made from peppermint. It's like concentrated mintiness. Mint also helps alleviate nausea, but perhaps not as much as our next essential oil, ginger. Ginger has a history of being used to fight nausea, and this is backed up by scientific research. I absolutely love ginger. I even eat it raw to help with arthritis. But the essential oil smells a little different. It's less obviously gingery and with a bit of a pungent edge. Now for something refreshing. Grapefruit. Any citrus is good for a hangover. However, I think grapefruit is lighter, zingier and fresher than lemon or orange. It's a great wake me up and shake off the grogginess ingredient. Lime would be a nice addition too. Like grapefruit, it's light and fresh, but some people think lime smells like disinfectant, so I'm sticking to grapefruit. Lavender. Lavender's a panacea. What doesn't it do? We're putting it in the shower steams because of its relaxation and de-stressing properties. It goes without saying that it smells gorgeous too. It's light, airy and clean smelling, so again, it helps to alleviate nausea and headache. Finally, we're adding in some rosemary. I love rosemary, and in food I think it goes with almost anything, but that's just me. So what can rosemary do for a hangover? Well, it helps to perk you up, refocus and get some mental clarity. Right, now we've weighed out our essential oils and menthol, we need to dissolve the menthol crystals. First, we need to crush up the menthol crystals so they dissolve faster. Menthol crystals dissolve really easily in oil, especially essential oils, at just slightly above room temperature. I've melted a small amount of coconut oil and I'm adding our crushed up menthol crystals. I'll give that a quick stir and then add our essential oils. We're going to leave that for a short while, keep giving it a stir until all the crystals have dissolved. Okay, that's our hangover blend sorted. Now I'm just going to crack on with adding the rest of the ingredients and finishing up the steamers, so I'll see you later. 10 hours later and time to unmould our steamers. They're a bit tricky to unmould, so you have to be careful and not rush it. So I've just done a couple off camera to show you, and here they are. Well friends, that's it for today. Why not give them a go and be prepared for the next time you get liquored up? I'll see you later.